Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find your Dell warranty information or status. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser if your choice, doesn't really matter. And we're going to go navigate over to a link I'm going to have in the description of the video here, guys, to the support, service, and warranty page. So if you have your serial number or product identifier, you can just type that in right here. Or you can select the Detect This PC automatically hyperlink. So you go ahead and select that. It should be able to scan your computer and it'll tell you that information automatically. And it may request that we identify this PC manually, or we could do that service utility as well. So get support assist. Let me just give that a moment there. And it may require us to download this application. So if we go ahead and run that, select OK. And you can see there's an error code here. So our computer actually is not a Dell computer, or technically it is, but in our virtual environment, it's unable to detect that. So just want to put that out there, but otherwise it would be able to generate the results here that would tell you what your warranty information looks like. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.